Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Christine. I will list all my socials down below. I want to wish everyone a happy new year. It's been, I want to say, a little bit over a month since I've posted an actual video, YouTube video. The whole month of December. If you guys do follow me, you know that I had posted just little shorts of videos basically every day showing Elf on the Shelf. So the month of December, I wanted to just do shorts and leave that separate. But in terms of an actual video, my last video was over a month ago. I will link it up above here. It was basically shopping with me in the Crocs store. You guys know that's not my first time doing that. If you guys want to see my other Crocs videos or are curious on how to find them, they have a subtitle under for the Crocs lovers. So you'll see all my Crocs videos there. I have all my videos under subtitles just so it's easier to find. So yeah, that was my last video. In terms of showing you guys my Crocs collection, the last video I posted, I think it was like about 4 months ago. If you haven't seen that one, then I will link that up above as well. But Happy New Year, you guys. I wanted to post sooner, but I had gotten laryngitis and my voice was completely gone, like completely. And it was just around for the holidays, so that's great. So yeah, for the holidays I had no voice, but I am back. I am well. And yeah, so we're here to post a Crocs video. I will be posting random different videos, which you guys will see if you have your notifications on, so be sure to keep those on. But yeah, today's a Crocs video, and since it's a new year, I figure why not redecorate a lot of my Crocs, completely redecorate them. So I just washed these. I figure we do a purple just to match with what I'm wearing today. I just washed them, so if you guys are curious on how I wash my Crocs, I have a video for that as well. But yeah, I just washed these. I took out all of the Jibbitz on here. FYI, for the people who are Crocs lovers and want to take out your Jibbitz to replace them or rearrange them, be very careful because I've noticed a lot of them recently have been breaking off. So if you have some Jibbitz that have been broken off or broke off recently, I will list down below what I use to put them back together. There's only 2 types of glue that I use to place them back together. I will show you an example. Like this just happened, and these little gems, they tend to break really easily. So when you're taking Jibbitz out of your Crocs, be sure to put your hand on the bottom, your finger on the bottom, and to just like help lift it up, only because they're so fragile, these especially, these little gems. So you see how it has the little back piece here and it has the gem. I will list down below what glues I use to just place them back. So you just glue it back this way and wait a little while, and then you can use them again. Such a pain in the neck, especially if you're paying $4 or $5 per Jibbit, which is really annoying. But yeah, I haven't seen any recent Crocs that I've been obsessed with, which is really crazy. I feel like Crocs needs to hire like a new design team, which sounds a little crappy to say, but I don't know. I haven't been so wowed by anything put out recently. So I figure let's do a video where we can just design or decorate the Crocs that we have. So you know, normally what I like to do is I like color coordinate my Jibbitz with my Crocs, only because it's easier to match whenever I'm wearing an outfit. Example, like if I have the purple Crocs, I want to have purple Jibbitz on there just so it's easier, as opposed to having it with yellow Jibbitz and then I have to worry about like what kind of outfit I'm wearing. So yeah, so I got a bunch of my purple Jibbitz out and we're just going to redecorate these. So yeah, they're nice and clean and we're gonna get started. So these are the Crocs that we're working with. I really think these in particular will look amazing with these Crocs. So let's see. And I have 3 of them, which is a heart, a lightning bolt, and a star. So I kind of want, let me see. Let's work with that. The star. Let's put it here. I love that. I don't want to do maybe this here. So lightning bolt there. For now, I don't know why. I know it's not the same. Like this is more like silver and this is more gold, but I kind of like it. Maybe this here. Kind of vibrate. Let's see. Maybe this here. Keep it. Maybe put this here. I like that. Let's see. Maybe this is right here in the middle. That's cute. This little gem, maybe having this gem near this. So maybe, maybe right here. That's cute, right? I feel like this would look kind of cute with this. Since we have the heart here, the star and the star, the heart here, maybe having the heart on this side as well. I know they're completely different colors, but let's move this one out of the way. I don't know. I kind of like that. Okay. I kind of like that. I feel like this would go really nice with this. So we can put this there. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay. And this lightning bolt. No, I don't like it there. Maybe somewhere here. Yeah, let's try here. Okay. That's cute, right? What do you guys think? Or is that too crazy? I don't know. I kind of like it. Let me see how it looks. Okay, we're gonna have to move this out of the way. What do you guys think about that? And if we have one there, you know, it's all about balance for me. So maybe having another one on this side, or is it gonna look too crazy with the both? I don't know. I kind of like that. All right, I like that. I'm not sure about this here, so I'm gonna take it out. Maybe this here. Let's try this here for now on the side. That looks good so far. Let's put this pink one there. That's cute. This is really stumping me. Okay, I kind of want, let's do a flower by there, just so it matches with this one. And then, do I have another one? Yeah, let's do one over here. Okay, I like that. This, maybe moving this to right here. Okay, and maybe, let's see, maybe this. Yeah, let's try this. That's kind of cute, right? Okay, then I feel like this would look really pretty somewhere. So maybe if we move this bow, put this instead. No, I don't like that. About here. No, it's because it's shaped weird. Unless we put it like right under, let's see. That's kind of cute, right? Yeah, it's kind of cute. No, I don't like that there. Let's try this here. Okay, and then maybe like a little gem in purple here. That's cute. I like that. Okay, yeah, I think I like that. Let's see, I love this sis, so I want to put this somewhere. Maybe putting it in the middle here or the side. No, that looks weird. Let's try here. This little lightning bolt is giving me trouble. It's like I can't find a spot that would go. Let's try it right here. Yeah, I think that looks better. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere, guys. So I'm liking that so far. Maybe if I put, And then a little gem here. And then a smaller seashell there. See, that looks cute. Okay. We are getting somewhere. I feel like maybe, do I need a gem there? I feel like that looks a little empty, no, guys? Or here? I need something. I feel like I need something there. Let me look through my Crocs to see if I see anything. I need something like really small. Okay, guys, I think I found what I'm looking for. Okay, so you see how this is like more towards the blue? Maybe if we change this little gem, you gotta be careful when you take them out. Put a little baby blue one here to match this. And then take this purple one and put it here. Voila, that is looking kind of bomb now. I think that looks really good. Do I need something here or is it too much? Do I have another gem is the question. Let me see. I just might. You know what? That yellow for the purple. Let's see. Oh, now it's looking bomb. Okay, I like it now. What do you guys think? I think it's a vibe. Yeah, I think this is it, guys. What do you guys think? I'm kind of in love. Yep, I think this is it. So this is the final look of the platform Crocs that we have. I am in love with them. It kind of gives it like a whole new shoe kind of feel. So it feels like it's a brand new shoe. So if you guys ever have like old Crocs that you feel like you haven't worn in a while, you can just switch your Jibbitz up and it just gives it a whole new feel. So yeah, this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Short, sweet, and I will see you guys on the next one. We're probably going to be revamping my whole Crocs collection. So again, keep your notifications on, highlight that little bell, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.